Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your FrankCrum Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search FrankCrum Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see Login to FrankCrum. Click on it, then it will take you to the official website of FrankCrum. Scroll down a little bit. There in the left side of your screen you can see Access, Run, Payroll and more. Click to login. Then it will redirect you to a login portal. There enter your username and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your FrankCrum Payroll. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.